The 2003 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.